How to secure your phone from hackers. Ensuring the security of your mobile device is crucial, as smartphones often contain sensitive personal information. Here are some tips to enhance the security of your mobile device. Use strong passwords. Create complex passwords that include a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or common words. Keep software updated. Regularly update your operating system, antivirus software, and other applications to patch security vulnerabilities. Install a firewall. Enable the built-in firewall on your operating system or install a reputable third-party firewall to monitor and control incoming and outgoing network traffic. Use antivirus software. Install and regularly update reputable antivirus or anti-malware software to protect against viruses, malware, and other threats. Be cautious with emails. Avoid clicking on links or downloading attachments from unknown or suspicious emails. Phishing attempts often use email as a way to deliver malware. Secure your Wi-Fi network. Set a strong password for your Wi-Fi network to prevent unauthorized access. Use WPA3 encryption if available. Regular backups. Back up your important data regularly to an external drive or a cloud service. This helps in case of ransomware attacks or data loss. Be careful with downloads. Only download files and software from reputable sources. Avoid downloading cracked or pirated software, as they may contain malware. Monitor account activity. Keep an eye on your accounts for any suspicious activities. If you notice anything unusual, take appropriate actions such as changing passwords or contacting the service provider. Use a strong lock screen. Set up a secure lock screen using a PIN, password, pattern, or biometric authentication, fingerprint or face recognition. Install apps from official app stores. Download apps only from official app stores such as Google Play Store for Android or the Apple App Store for iOS. Avoid third-party app sources. Review app permissions. Check the permissions requested by apps before installing them. Be cautious about apps that ask for unnecessary access to your personal information or device features. Enable Find My Phone. This can help you locate your phone in case it's lost or stolen and often includes the ability to remotely lock or erase your device. Use a VPN. When connecting to public Wi-Fi networks, use a VPN to encrypt your internet connection and protect your data from potential hackers on the same network. Be wary of phishing attempts. Avoid clicking on suspicious links or providing personal information in response to unsolicited messages. Be cautious of phishing emails, SMS, or other messages. Secure your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections. Disable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth when not in use to prevent unauthorized access. Avoid connecting to unsecured Wi-Fi networks. Set up two-factor authentication. Enable two-factor authentication for your accounts whenever possible to add an extra layer of security. This often involves receiving a code on your mobile device in addition to entering your password. Use a mobile security app. Consider installing reputable mobile security apps that provide antivirus, anti-malware, and additional security features. Secure your text messages. Use secure messaging apps for sensitive conversations, and consider enabling encryption features if available. Educate yourself. Stay informed about the latest security threats and best practices for mobile security. Being aware of potential risks helps you make informed decisions. By following these tips, you can significantly improve the security of your mobile device and protect your personal information from unauthorized access or potential threats. Phone hacking involves any method where someone forces access into your phone or its communications. This can range from advanced security breaches to simply listening in on unsecured internet connections. It can also involve physical theft of your phone and forcibly hacking into it via methods like brute force. Phone hacking can happen to all kinds of phones, including Androids and iPhones. Since anyone can be vulnerable to phone hacking, we recommend that all users learn how to identify a compromised device. Never leave your phone unattended. Keeping your phone with you at all times while in a public place is the first, best rule to follow. Change your phone's default passcode. Your phone likely comes with a simple, predictable default password, and those who know can use this to their advantage. Change your code to something more complex. Manage your Bluetooth security. Avoid using unprotected Bluetooth networks and turn off your Bluetooth service when you aren't using it. Protect your PIN and credit card data. Use a protected app to store PIN numbers and credit cards, or better yet, don't store them in your phone at all. Avoid unsecured public Wi-Fi. Hackers often target important locations such as bank accounts via public Wi-Fi that can often be unsecured due to relaxed safety standards, or even none at all. Turn off your autocomplete feature. By doing this, you can prevent stored critical personal data from being accessed. Regularly delete your browsing history, cookies, and cache. Removing your virtual footprint is important in minimizing the amount of data that can be harvested by prying eyes. Have an iPhone? Enable Find My iPhone. By turning the feature on in your settings, you'll be able to locate your phone if you misplace it before the hackers can lay their paws on it. Use a security app that increases protection. For Android owners, Webroot offers the all-in-one mobile security for Android app that provides antivirus protection and allows you to remotely locate, lock up, and wipe your phone in the event you lose track of it. For iOS users, Webroot also offers a free secure web browser for increased mobile security on your iPhone and iPad. Delete old apps. Do you need all the apps on your phone? Old and outdated apps can open the door to your device to hackers. Not to mention, unused software clutters your phone and wastes your storage.